Okay, guys, so what you're looking at now is the Naked Chart trading system. This is Pip Generator. As you can see, this robot is designed to take trades without any kind of indicator or anything on the chart. As you can see, simple price action. The trades, you see what trades were triggered. There was a buy triggered there. That was not a good trade. Then the sell triggered. This worked out perfectly fine. As you can see, let's get rid of the prices at the bottom. But this is overall the results of running Pip Generator for the day. I figured I'd show you guys what it's like. As you can see, Pip Generator, let's go down the list and look at some of the trades that we took. So we have some gold trades. Let's take a look at the gold trade. Let's put the, so we can see what it's making. Let's put the value of the trade so we can actually see in dollar amounts what was made. As you can see, this is an awesome trade right here. Let's secure it. We need to do that. We can't make trades like this without securing them. Large amount. Okay, so we have some silver going on. Let's check out the silver. As you can see, this is a tiny trade, but it's a large lot size. And yes, I actually did that. Now, I know you guys are gonna look at this and go, "What the heck?" It's the broker that I'm using. This broker, it's doing something weird with the lot size. I'm in contact with them to try and figure out why is it like that. I really don't know why it's doing that, but hopefully I could get it straight because I've been trying to adjust this, and because it's doing that, I've been trying to like get out of the trades that are doing that. Some of the trades are just large amounts of trades. Okay, so let's check out this trade. This is once again another large trade. As you can see, every time you see this little dash, this is where the trade was triggered. Okay, and when you see a dash, that means the trade is being modified by the robot. The robot can trail and stop. It can take a certain amount of pips. It can hit a TP. If you wanted to take every 20 pips to move your stop loss, it can do that. So it can keep securing your trade. Let's go ahead and move this up since I see we keep going into profit. Yeah, so this Pip Generator is not really much to talk about here, guys. It's just really to show you that it works. It's a naked chart indicator. Like I said, it just works. I've been using this one for a very long time. It's not really much to say about it. You know, you put it on the chart, preferably the 1 hour like me, and then you just let it run, man, you know? And that's what I did. So let's secure this trade as well. And let's see if there's any more. We got a US 30 trade. I don't understand why the pip count is like that. I really don't get that type of stuff. I really don't get it. This broker is the reason that don't worry about it. This is a special account on Henko Trade. I don't normally use this broker, but I was trying it out. So as you can see, this is a ridiculous trade. It's so ridiculous. But anyway, nevertheless, this is just to test out the robot, so we're not worrying about it. As you can see, we just want to show you the profits that it made. As you can see, there are some negative trades in there, but as you can see, look at the huge profits on this. And it's just to show you that the robot works. This is not an account that I'm concerned about, anything I care about. It's just to show you that it works. Okay, so yeah, that's it. I think we took a look. Let's take a look at one more trade. What is it, Chef? This should be the trade. And the broker, I don't know, man. The broker, I'm not used to these. I'm not used to these. HKT, whatever this is. It's weird to me. I'm trying to get used to it, but I don't know what it's doing. But for some reason, it's making the lot size is completely different from what I'm putting. And yeah. But I'm not complaining. I mean, we still winning, but I just don't know about the trade. So I was gonna run this robot. I let it run for 2 days, so I think that's enough. I'm just gonna put this one video up for Pip Generator. For those of you who like to trade naked charts, you may want a robot to help you. As you can see, this cell was entered right here on the green dot. You see it? The trade was modified. This is where the this is where the stop loss was, and it got modified. It got pushed to here, and then I moved it here. So you can see the bar was triggered. You can see it trailed it. You can see that arrow too is letting you know that the robot was managing the trade for us. And that's it. It really don't get no easier than this, guys. So I'm gonna end this video here. So no need to really talk about it. There's nothing to really tell you. There's a parameter that price action meets, and when that parameter is met, the robot will trigger the trade. If you agree with the trade, you keep the trade running. If not, you clip it. It's up to you. But Pip Generator has been a very faithful robot to me, and it's been working for me since day one. If you have any questions about the robot, just let me know in the comment section. Other than that, I'm gonna get out of here, guys. Peace.